Okay, alright. This is my second and then the last display. I did 5 boxes and yeah, another display. So let's get started. Cyber Harpy Lady Slash, the Hermos dice. Let's see what we're gonna get in this display. Dark Magician Girl, the Dragon Knight. Timaeus, okay, that's nice. Ra's Disciple. Just need one more Timaeus. Time Wizard tomorrow. Black Sonic, number 45, and the seal. Galaxy Self Dragon, Paladin Dark Dragon, the Fang of Critias. Mimikatz. Oh, 2 Mimikatz. Dark Magician, go to Dragon Knight, Claw of Hermos, the Legendary Knights. Not the best ultras to get. They came in like the Legendary Dragon decks as like a common. Map Petition, number 100, Toon Kingdom. Halfway. Can we get another Tamias? Like the commons, like they're hitting like over $10. Whoa my gosh, what this is. Oh wow, this is pretty bad. Not sure if this is like crooked or bent. Let me just open this. This might be. Hopefully, it's not like wrinkled. Yeah, this is some pretty bad quality control. Look at it. I've never seen it. Hopefully, I'll try to leave it on a router and see if this could be fixed. We can't flower carding in Light Shower, Rank and Magic Quick Chaos. Galaxy Eye, Cypher Dragon, Claw of Hermos. I actually need one more Cypher Dragon. Yep, replicating effects from the spells and the traps. Gaga Gigabyte. Legendary Duel Season 2 is being announced, but they upped the secrets, so probably have to order a lot more. Okay. Alright, got my playset now. So I'll probably have like 3 displays and like and 6 more boxes. Dark Mission Girl the Dragon Knight. Two more boxes. Can we get an Eye of Timaeus? If not, I'll probably be able to pull them eventually from like Lost Arts. No Jinzo. It's the most expensive one, Jinzo layered. Okay, the final box. Ah, no Jinzo. Only one Jinzo out of like 21 boxes. Hopefully I'll be able to get more. Toon Kingdom, okay, that's nice. No Eye of Timaeus. Dark Mission, Growth of Dragon Knight. Okay. Missing one items. But I think I pretty much got everything else. Also the alternate art. The promos. Yes. Oh, I haven't peeled 1000 Dragon yet, but we'll see. These sneak preview promos look to be pretty overprinted. Okay, that concludes it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.